The long sit. The long sit starts with the dog sitting at your left side in heel position. Starting in heel position, tell your dog to stay, then step forward. Turn and face your dog. At the end of the exercise, return to your dog by walking up to him and going around his left side and coming back up to heel position, just like you are making a circle around him. At different levels of obedience, you will go either to the end of the leash or off leash to the end of the ring, and sometimes you will go out of sight as you get into the advanced obedience classes. Either way, you will always leave your dog from heel position and return back to your dog by walking around the dog and returning to heel position.